What's up guys, good morning, this is Marcel from Dapper Street. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my vlog. Today, the third one in London. Starting the day off right with some protein. I shook myself. Shook it real good. At 7:30 in the morning, I actually feel so good because I wasn't able to get up because of the jet lag the past couple of days, and it just messes with me if I don't get up the right time. Or without a proper breakfast. With a view. Random fact, I'm always called like a little bitch. So this is my best friend. I was trying to stay warm. Which is really difficult considering that London is actually kind of chilly, and as you can tell, I changed my outfit. This is a belt staff jacket because we're going to the presentation afterwards, but right now we're walking through the park and checking out Buckingham Palace. Well, that was cool. Hell of a lot of people. Dude on a horse came, I was like, do you have a park license? And we were like, haha, this is a travel vlog. And then he was actually really nice, so that's cool. Let me show you guys a closer look of my outfit. As you may have already seen on my Instagram, there was a few clips in there also from the presentation, which was absolutely beautiful. Not that many looks, but what I saw was absolutely amazing. That light brown jacket with the patches, I'm gonna be wearing it right now. They also had a few vintage jackets hanging around from all the different decades of belt staff, which was amazing. And now we actually gotta run because the next show is up. The next show is Blood Brothers. Never mind, missed the show. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So let's just explore London more, like the beautiful Tower Bridge. I don't have any facts about it, but it looks very, very nice. And as you may notice, I changed my outfit again because we went to the hotel really quick, so I'm wearing my Louis Vuitton coat again, Samso scarf. This is from Zara. I know where it's from. Of course, this is my job. I know where clothes are from. The pants are from Suit Supply, the socks are from Suit Supply, and this is a little sneak peek of the Ankara Flores Spring-Summer collection, so you guys stay tuned. And after that little play around on the bridge and my ears got so cold, I went and bought a beanie. It says London. How cool is that? This time I actually think I'm on time for the show, so let's take a look at D-Nack. And that was D-Nack, very achromatic, very street style, not entirely me, but there's a few pieces that I really like these. And now we're at Liberty to go to another belt staff event downstairs. Cocktails. And that was that event. Really quick stop by. Again, bumped into Matthew. Well, the other thing is, like, if I went to an event like that in New York, I'd probably know a few people here. I know nobody, so I'm happy when I see Matthew. I'm happy when I see him regardless because he's a great guy. But you know what I'm saying. Anyway, that was today. Thank you guys so much for following along. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this, subscribe to my channel because there's more of this coming. And leave a comment if you want to say something. I'll read everything and I'll try and get back to as much as possible. But I'll see you with the next vlog, and that's going to be from Florence. So you guys stay dapper and I'll see you then.